Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or generate Laravel e-commerce management system using Cloud Code. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. So guys, first of all we are going to go with the Cloud Code installation process. So for the Cloud Code, we can actually use three different way. We can use the extension, we can use CLI, command line interface, and then we can use the desktop app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the extension and how you can use this. For this, we need an IDE. Here you can see this is the IDE. Okay, this is the IDE, and it's VS Code. In your case, maybe you can use Google Anti-Gravity also. Now here we are going to go for the extension section. Here you can see extension icon, and here we are going to go for the Cloud Code for VS Code. You can see this is from anthropic.com, so this is official. Okay, so you can actually use this. So click here install, and it will start installing, and you just have to install this. I already have this, and when you will install this, you will get here an icon. You can see chat icon, and through this chat icon, if you click here in this chat icon, there will be a chat option you can see, and through this chat option you can give here a prompt, or you can give all the information about your project, and then you can generate the whole project through it. Now when you will install this, under the extension section you will get the icon also, you can see, and from here you can click a new session, and this session will be for a specific project. So to add the project, you have to come here in the file explorer section, and from here you can click open folder and add the project here. So as it is a Laravel project, we need a server for this because it's a PHP framework. For the PHP framework, we need a server, right? So for the server, we can use here XAMPP. So let me show you if we have XAMPP here or not. Let me check. Yes, I have XAMPP here, you can see. So if I double click on it, manager OSX, and this is the XAMPP control panel. There you go. This is the XAMPP control panel. Now from here we are going to start database and Apache web server, so we can actually run our project. Now let me tell you one more thing. You can create your Laravel project anywhere in your PC through Composer. Okay, so here we have to install something. At first go to the terminal and check if you have already installed or not. So type here composer -- version. Okay, -- version, and you can see composer not found. Okay, so what you can do, you have to actually install composer at first. Composer, okay, composer, and you have to install this. Let me show you. Here you can see getcomposer.org. You can actually go to that link and download this. Okay, and install it. Okay, and after that you need a server, right? So we have XAMPP here. So to install XAMPP, you have to actually go to the XAMPP official site. You can actually say here XAMPP, and you can search it on the browser, and here you can see www.apachefriends.org. So we are going to go to that link, and here you can see we have different operating system download option. Now if you want to actually check the version also, that which one actually want to install, you can actually click here download, and then here you can see this is the download page. From here, if you scroll a little bit down, you will get Mac OS operating system. Currently I am from Mac OS, so I will come to this section. If you are from Windows, then you can actually come to this section and then go with the latest one. I will suggest you. Okay, so go with the latest one and download this and install it in your PC. Then you will actually get here this control panel. If you are from Windows, you will press Windows button, and then if you type XAMPP, then you will get XAMPP control panel. Open it and start these two server, Apache and MySQL database, because in our project we have a database also, right? Because it's a e-commerce management. So yeah, now we have download XAMPP composer. Okay, so we have the server also. Now this is the time to create our project. So to create the project, we have to actually either you can create the project and then you can create a or generate a prompt, and then that prompt you have to actually paste that prompt inside Cloud Code chat option, and then it will actually generate the whole project for you. Or on the other hand, you can actually create the project also through this Cloud Code chat. So what we will do here is we are going to actually open a folder from here. Okay, and let's say I want to create the folder here in the downloads, and here I'm going to click new folder, and let's say it will be ecom-lara, and I'm going to add this project here. You can see added. Now I will come here in this icon under the extension section, chat icon, and here we need to actually add here Cloud AI account. So click here Cloud subscription, open it, and here you can see it's opening. Now here we have to give Cloud Code information. Now we are going to continue with Google. Now you have to actually have a Cloud Code account. So create your account, okay, and then add it here. Okay guys, now I have to check authorize. Okay, so I have actually given here my Cloud Code subscription account. So and now it's added here in the you can see Cloud Code extension in the VS Code. Now I have a folder here. Now if I open a new session, I mean if I click a new session, this session will be specific for this specific directory. Okay, now here we are going to give a prompt. From here we can choose plan mode. If you're for the first time, maybe there will be 3 option only. So go with the plan, and after some pop-up and permission, if you give all the permission, then you will get auto mode. So I'll select auto, and here we are going to give the prompt. Okay, so let's go for the browser once again and go for the prompt. Okay, for the prompt you can go with ChatGPT or maybe Gemini. Now here I will mention all the necessary things about my project, that what I want in my project, and then I'll ask for a prompt. So give me a prompt. So I have mentioned here that Laravel e-commerce project it will be, and I will actually do this using Cloud Code. So use Laravel for the backend, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JS for the front end, then MySQL for the database. Then if composer need to install, please install it. Use blue and black color as the color combination. I have to go through this prompt, and if you need to change anything, you can actually mention here. And then regenerate this prompt. Okay, all right, our project is our prompt is done here, you can see, and I'm happy with my prompt. So let's go. I'll copy this, so I can actually copy this from here. So copy this and go back in the VS Code, and here we are going to paste it. Done. Now we're going to hit enter. Make sure you have start these 2 server, okay, MySQL and Apache. That's it. And now hit enter, and now it will actually generate the whole project for us. There will be some permission maybe, so there will be some pop-up. We have to actually give all the permission, and it will actually generate the whole project for us. So guys, I'm going to show you the output also. For now, I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will back and I will show you the project output. Alright guys, our project is done. You can see ShopNet is built and running. So now we are going to click here, and it will open here, but actually I want to open it in the browser, so I'm going to actually copy this. Okay, or maybe we can actually go to the browser and say here localhost, then we can give here colon, and then the port number is 8000, right? Yeah, hit enter. Here I can see this is our website. Okay, and here you go, pretty much everything working here. You can see we have a nice footer also. And now let's say I want to log in, so go for the login, and here I want to log in as admin, and we have here a credential, you can see. So admin at shopnet.test. I'm going to actually copy this, go here, paste it. Then password is admin at 123, so at 123 login. Here we go. We have a nice dashboard. You can see it's a functional dashboard. You can see we can add products. Yes, we can edit them. You can see I want to say here 2.1, let's say, and update product. You can see 2.1 updated. I can add product, you can see, and pretty much everything working here, right? Categories and all this stuffs. Can I delete any category? Yes, deleted successfully. Orders, here you can see, can I cancel them? We can actually change status, cancelled. Now we can go to the orders, and you can see cancelled. Set is functional, right? Fully functional, you can see. So guys, that's it. I've shown you how you can actually create a fully functional e-commerce project website using Cloud Code, and it's a Laravel project. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.